Hi, New Player Rockstar here, and today in this video I'm making a YouTube video about me going to my granddad's farm, and here we can see a black swan. Let me try and find it. Can you see it over there? You see that little black spot? You see that little black thing? You see over there where my finger is? That's the black swan. I call it a death swan. Okay, let's go. Let's continue my granddad's farm. Hey Harry, I'm recording a YouTube video. Okay, this is my granddad's farm.
Over here, Ollie.
Coming, Nan. Chickens. There's chickens. Look at these fluffy chickens. So cute. We've got black chickens, white fluffy chickens, all kinds of chickens in my granddad's farm. Let's give it some food. Oh! There's my food. Oh, wait, is it? Nan, could you hold my phone, please, and look at the chickens? Oh. There's my food. It hit a chicken.
Oh, I hit a chicken's butt. Chickens. Cute chickens, guys.